Good morning, everyone. Suman here from Creative Mind. Today I'll be speaking about the difference between the two articles, that is a and an. Okay. Everyone most of the time will get confused as to when to use it and what is the criteria to use these two articles. The first article, that is a and an, I'm like both of them, you need to use them when there is a single object or a single person in your sentence. Okay, and again there is another criteria. A can be used for a word which starts with a consonant, and an can be used for a word which is starting with a vowel. Okay, so these are the two criteria to use these articles. To summarize, it needs to be singular. A can be used for a word starting with a consonant, and an can be used for a word which starts with an vowel. Okay, yeah, so this was a short tip, and subscribe my channel. You will get more such alerts going forward.